Welcome back to Autos Car, where we bring you the hottest updates on the latest rides, and today we have something truly exciting for car lovers. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is here and it's nothing short of a masterpiece. This little roadster has always been about pure driving fun, and the 2025 model takes that formula to the next level. Mazda has managed to keep the soul of the Miata intact while updating it with modern features that enhance both performance and comfort. The design is sleeker, sharper, and even more aggressive. The front grille is slightly revised, giving it a more mature, sporty character, and the LED headlights are thinner and brighter, giving the car a futuristic edge while still staying true to its classic roots. Under the hood you still get that zippy 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, but it's been refined to deliver smoother power and even better efficiency. The 2025 MX-5 Miata produces around 190 horsepower, which may not sound like much on paper, but when you pair it with a lightweight chassis and perfect 50-50 weight distribution, it creates a driving experience that's thrilling, responsive, and addictive. One of the biggest upgrades comes in the form of a revised suspension system and improved steering response. Mazda has fine-tuned this Miata to feel even more planted in corners without sacrificing the playful charm it's known for. Whether you're carving up a canyon road or just taking it for a spin through the city, this car makes every drive feel like an adventure. Step inside and you're greeted with a refreshed interior that feels more premium than ever. The seats have been redesigned for better support and comfort, especially on longer drives, and the new infotainment system is larger, faster, and more intuitive, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a crisp Bose sound system that fills the cabin with rich, clean audio. Mazda has also added more safety features to keep up with modern standards, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. But thankfully, all these additions haven't taken away from the raw analog joy the Miata has always offered. You can still get it with a 6-speed manual transmission, and honestly, that's how it's meant to be driven. The 2025 MX-5 Miata is a car that speaks to the heart of driving enthusiasts. It's not about horsepower wars or flashy gimmicks, it's about connection, feeling, and freedom. It's a rare kind of car that puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. So if you're someone who values the essence of driving, if you want a car that brings joy every single day, then the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is waiting for you right now on Autos Car. We're loving this update and we can't wait to hear what you think. Drop a comment below, tell us your favorite feature, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews just like this.